What's up, guys? I wanted to get on here and show you something that I've been working on for a minute. It's something that personally I love, and I think a lot of you are gonna love too. Personally, for me, I'm a huge fan of expedition vehicles, giant expedition vehicles, giant tires and a huge cargo space that you can just live in for a long period of time, and something that'll never let you get stranded. Among all of these builds, I've noticed one thing they all have in common: fender flares. And not just arches, not just your traditional type of fender flares, but very squared off, very angled type of fender flares. Kind of seen on military vehicles and definitely a lot of expedition vehicles. So for all of you that own Econolines, Cheated Death Fabrication now has a expedition style, military style fender flare kit for the Econolines. This is a fender flare kit that for the fronts you do have to cut. For the rears it's not necessary, but if you wanted to, you could. These fender flares can be installed in just a few hours, if anything, an hour. The longest part out of the entire installation is going to be cutting the fronts. The rest of it just bolts on real easy. These fender flares are made of ABS plastic, which means no matter what it takes, they're not going to break. Like fiberglass, they're not going to crack, and like metal, they will not rust out. These are built to take everything you throw at it. These fender flares are only available at Cheated Death Fabrication. If you want a set of flares like this, you know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Until next time.